Welcome back to AD Carping. This session is quick overnight after work. I've already bagged the carp, so let's get up for a picture and some footage for you guys. 19.4 this one went. Took a rose hip isotonic wafter over a bed of Atlantic crab. Don't come better than that. Look at that fish. Really fat and plump one, ready for spawn. Let's have a look at the other side. Absolutely ripped off. There we have it. 19.4. Put up an epic scrap. So slip this one back, boat the rod back out, see if we can get another one. Welcome back to AD Carping. After that 19 pounder, it's been a bit quiet. So I just flicked a cat rod out, 2 20 millers, and I have landed one, about 20 pound. There it is, 20 pound cat. It's taken on a 2 20mm halibut pellets and about 10 of them chucked over the top. Slip it back and get another one.